Hello and welcome to our third grade class family. I'm Mrs. Vi and I'm so excited to have you and your student as part of my classroom this year. A little bit about me. I'm Mrs. Vi and this is my 8th year teaching in Olathe and my 2nd year teaching third grade here at Heritage. I'm a lover of books, a huge Royals fanatic, and a constant Starbucks drinker. But most importantly, I'm mom to my 4-year-old Ella and wife to my husband Steve. This year in third grade, we have a schedule jam-packed with learning. It's going to be extremely important that third graders are in their seats ready to learn at 8:20 when our second bell rings, because they're going to need to hit the ground running as we jump right into math at the beginning of the day. We're going to be studying lots of important topics like multiplication, division, fractions, and more, so we're going to need them here to do that learning. Along with that, it's going to be extremely important that students are at school as often as possible because we have many exciting projects and important topics that we're going to be covering. So we would love to see your student here as often as they possibly can be. Something that might look a little bit different in third grade is our homework. The policy of our third grade team is that we want the homework for your student to be tailored to their needs. What that means for us is that we won't be assigning a project or a paper every night. Instead, we ask that you spend that time working with your student on the things that they need support in. Some ideas might be reading, math practice such as multiplication facts, addition and subtraction facts, spelling work practice, or correcting work that comes home in order to receive extra points. Like I said, this is going to be based on what you and your family think is what's most important for your student. One thing that you will see come home every week, though, is a special Friday folders letter, or Friday letters. This folder will come back and forth every Friday and Monday. On Fridays, we'll ask the third graders to write home about something that they've learned and things that they've done that week. Your job is to write back to them over the weekend and send it in on Monday so that we have an ongoing record of what they've been doing throughout the year, and then of course your response so that you can keep up with what's happening in third grade. Another tool that we use often in third grade is Seesaw. There was a code provided for you that allows you to access your classroom Seesaw and what your student posts. We'll be using this often to post pictures, videos, and projects. This is a great way to see what your student has been writing, see who they've been working with, and lots of other things. I highly, highly recommend jumping on Seesaw. Each day, we also ask that students, if they choose, bring a snack. We have 2 requirements. Please keep it healthy, and second, make sure that it's tree and peanut free so we can support those students with allergies. The last thing I want to tell you about is our house cup system. The class is going to be divided into 4 houses, and they're going to be working to compete together to be the overall house cup winner. Last year, our students loved this competition and the opportunity to earn points by following our expectations and working together as a team. I can't wait for this year to get started. I know with you and your student in our classroom, it will be the best year ever.